that getting to consistent, that realization that consistency was also going to be key to being able to automate, sounds like that was part of the, okay, we now need to do something differently thought process.
Yes, and the initial, we need to do something different, was doing the necessary but old school SOPs, and documenting the processes. There's nothing old school about having an SOP.
Mm-hmm.
The old school comes from doing it all in a Word document that eventually goes in a drawer, stays there for months, and then when it's pulled out, it has been outdated. So we did try to create some sort of consistency by documenting processes end to end, also creating service catalogs, but doing that on Excels, doing it on Words, which there's nothing wrong with those products, by the way, but it wasn't just the right fit for the problem that we were having.
So that sounds like it gives you something that you couldn't live with almost. It was it was a structure that was too difficult to control. So that sounds like it must have been part of the we now need to do something differently moment.
And we did. What we thought was the solution was to start documenting service catalogs around the world and processes using items like Word or Excel.
Okay.
And it was a start. However, it wasn't good enough because most of those documents that were not easy to create ended up going up in drawers, collecting dust for some months. So by the time they came out, they were mostly outdated and needed a lot of rework again.